niyakuthanda ukwenza izinto ngoba nakho nibona abanye abantu benza. Love yourself. Iba ne-identity yakho. No, but on a real, guys, do something because you want to do it. Don't do it just because you have a point to prove or you saw somebody doing it. Now you're also doing it because they can't beat you at nothing. Bro, there's something so beautiful with just having your own identity, with doing what you really want to do. You know? Like, it's so beautiful. It's so rewarding. Even God rewards you even more because God can see good. Therefore, I'm going to give her new ideas. I'm going to give her new opportunities. Ngoba wena, you're not a follower. You are a leader. Be a leader in your life. Don't be a follower. Like, would you do that? No.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kuna video lesabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yaLerato Nxumalo akhuluma lamagama lesimuva wakhuluma ukuthi mawumuntu just do your own things man. Ungendi into just because uyibone yento yamuntu, ungendi into just because wena awukhoni futhi awufuni kundlulwa. Ama-comments section bewaqitheka ngebantu labathi siyathi ukuthi ukhuluma ngabani. We know who you are talking about. Bantu bathi ukhuluma ngalo. Guys, siyamathi sonke lokho ukuthi ngibani. So bathi ukhuluma ngalo nje wena, ukhuluma ngalo. Ukhuluma I said, said, and I'm just trying to hlanganisa 1 + 1. It's okay. Why athi ungindindo ngoba ubone umuntu, and some people are even saying ukuthi wendi party just because wena you were getting married. So nje akafuni kuhlulwa umuntu, akafuni ukuthi utrend wedwane. Uthi Michelle I said, said, uthi zanazi, we all know you are talking about. I think she wanted to say we all know who you are talking about. You are talking about Lisedi. Mondlote Lisedi, guys, lo trend at Grace Mondlana. We all know ukuthi Grace Mondlana and uLerato mandi ne-oyila abashayisana abahlangani nje abavisisani nje. It's something lesiyadiko leyo ukuthi it's been quite a long time bangavani or so, but uthi makayifaka nje idolo this video uLerato Nxumalo and people were just saying ukuthi siyadi ukuthi wena ukhuluma ngabani. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.